Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to set up data export from your Sophos firewalls to Sophos central management or Sophos backend data center team, where they can access your data if it is suspicious or not. So only for suspicious purpose. And how you can go in the administrator sections and admin settings. There are two tabs. I just scroll down and show you. Sophos Adaptive Learning. Sorry, I take a name for access, but is it Sophos Adaptive Learning allow the firewall to send diagnostic data. The data help us provide enhanced feature and security to stability. So send app data and threats and advanced security. App data and threats and advanced security. If you click on send button, then your data as your send app data and threat data will be sent to Sophos diagnostic centers. They can check and they can use and they can protect our systems and firewalls like that. This is a use case, so they can Sophos adaptive learning systems. So once you click on send these options and click on apply button, then your data will be sent to Sophos team. So as per your requirement, how many critical applications you are working running, check, and if required, then you can discuss with your management and discuss also with Sophos firewall team which type data they will access, what looks like data file format. Then you can give the access, but in my case I need to give so that Sophos adaptive learning will be stable. So I am just click on OK. So my data will be sent. So you can see the configuration is same. So thank you so much on this video. Jai Hind.